So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft official website in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First open your Google Chrome and then search for Windows 10 ISO download and then go over to Microsoft official download link. Click on this and then here you'll see it won't let you download your file because Windows 10 is discontinued and Windows 11 is here. So yes, you can not download Windows 10 from this website now, but there is a trick which lets you download the 23 updated version. So how to do this, just click on these three dots and then click on more tools, then click on developer tools. After this, click on this developer tools three dots again and then go over to more tools and then select network conditions. Here scroll down and then uncheck this box which says use browser default, and then in this make sure you select Chrome OS. After this, just reload your page and here as you can see it will let you download the Windows 10 multi-edition ISO file. Just select your file and then select language, then click confirm and it will start your downloading. So yes, this is how you can do it guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.